If sometimes people can't reach you and you don't get notifications from apps, you may have Do Not Disturb mode turned on, and in this video I'm gonna show you how we can easily turn it off. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and the first step, we just need to swipe down from the top right corner of the screen, just like that, to head over to the control center. If Do Not Disturb mode turned on, right over here it will say Do Not Disturb on, and we can easily turn it off by tapping at this half moon button. Now it says focus, which means that Do Not Disturb mode is definitely deactivated now. Also, we can turn on or off any focus modes from here. So if Do Not Disturb mode is active, we can tap right here, and then we can deactivate it, or we can switch to another focus mode simply by selecting it. However, sometimes Do Not Disturb mode can turn on automatically, and if you want to fix that, you need to head over to Settings, then Focus, then tap at Do Not Disturb, scroll down until you find Schedule, and that's where we can configure the schedule for Do Not Disturb. As you can see on my device, it turns on every day at 22 o'clock and it turns off at 8 o'clock, the time when I sleep, each day of the week. That's where we can change from time to time, and also we can turn on or off the days of week. However, if you don't need that schedule, you can turn it off by toggling off that switcher, just like that. And also you can delete this schedule by tapping right here. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.